Discover the best skiing in Kaprun, Austria. A winter paradise awaits. Situated in the heart of the Austrian Alps, Kaprun is a winter wonderland offering unforgettable adventures for both skiing enthusiasts and nature lovers. Just a stone's throw from the picturesque Zell MC, Kaprun proudly boasts one of Europe's premier ski resorts, blending exhilarating slopes, breathtaking alpine views, and a vibrant après-ski atmosphere. A skiing haven on the Kitzsteinhorn Glacier. The crown jewel of Kaprun is the Kitzsteinhorn Glacier, providing nearly year-round skiing opportunities. With over 41 kilometers of impeccably groomed slopes, the resort is perfect for both beginners and seasoned skiers. Beginners can refine their skills on gentle slopes, while advanced skiers can take on more challenging trails, such as the Langwied run. For those seeking scenic descents, the Schmiedinger Trail offers a perfect blend of adventure and stunning mountain panoramas. Beyond skiing, for those looking to diversify their winter experience, Kaprun offers an array of activities beyond traditional skiing. Snowboarding, freeriding, and ski touring are just a few of the thrilling options available. Adventurers can explore untouched snowfields or try cross-country skiing while soaking in the serene alpine landscapes. Kaprun is also home to renowned snow camps, such as the ice camp on the glacier. This unique igloo village provides an unforgettable experience where visitors can sip cocktails amidst shimmering ice sculptures and enjoy panoramic views of the majestic Salzburgerland peaks. Culinary delights and relaxation. No alpine adventure is complete without indulging in local cuisine. The mountain restaurants in Kaprun deliver a feast for the senses, serving hearty Austrian dishes accompanied by breathtaking views. Be sure to try Kaiserschmarrn or a traditional Wiener Schnitzel after an exhilarating day on the slopes. Zell MC Kaprun, a perfect winter pair. Kaprun is part of the Zell MC Kaprun region, known for its charm and versatility. The enchanting Lake Zell adds a magical touch to the winter experience, offering picturesque walks and tranquil views. Visitors can combine skiing with exploring the quaint streets of Zell MC or enjoying lakeside attractions. Top of Salzburg, the highlight of your journey. No visit to Kaprun would be complete without reaching the top of Salzburg viewing platform on the Kitzsteinhorn Glacier. Standing at over 3,000 meters above sea level, this spot offers unmatched panoramic views of Austria's highest peaks and the surrounding glacier landscape. It's the perfect place to capture memories that will last a lifetime. Why Kaprun? Kaprun stands out as one of Austria's top ski destinations due to its accessibility, world-class facilities, and mesmerizing natural beauty. Whether you're planning a trip for the ski season's opening or seeking a mid-season getaway, Kaprun promises an exceptional alpine experience. From thrilling slopes to cozy alpine lodges, every moment here is infused with adventure and charm. Discover the magic of Kaprun, where snow-covered peaks meet the warmth of Austrian hospitality. Whether you're an experienced skier, a family in search of winter fun, or a couple seeking a romantic escape, Kaprun has something for everyone. Pack your skis, gather your loved ones, and head to this alpine gem for the adventure of a lifetime.
Teile sind jünger als meine.
Який до техніки, до дорожньої,